Hi everyone, I'm back with another AP Stats video, and today we're going to be talking about the median, which is basically a very simple statistic that you're going to hear a whole lot about in your time in AP Statistics. So let's get to it. Alright, so what is the median? It's a data point or value that splits your data set into two equal parts. You're going to have the same amount of numbers or values to the left of it as you are to the right of it. And I think a picture better explains what that means. So here's a data set, right? The median of this data set would be the point where you have the same number of numbers on the left or as you do on the right. It is the exact middle of your data set regardless of the actual value of the numbers you have. So what number splits our data set exactly in half? The number 95. To the left we have 3 numbers, and to the right we have 3 numbers. We have the same number of numbers on each side, right? That's what marks the median. That is our middle of the data set. And one important thing to note about the median is that it's not affected by extremely large or extremely small values. If I changed this 987 to 9,000,087, it wouldn't change what my median is, because the median doesn't care about the values in my dataset. It only cares about the number of values in my dataset. And as long as there's the same number on each side, you're going to have no problem. That's all that matters to the median. It doesn't matter if you have a very big or very small value in your dataset. Now, that's a very informal way of calculating the median, right? It is accurate, but it's very informal. What if you have a really large data set, or you have not so clean numbers? What are you going to do, right? Well, there is a formal way to calculate this, and it's the same way we calculate percentiles. The median is often referred to as the 50th percentile. But what if you don't know what a percentile is? What if you don't know how to calculate a percentile, or let alone the 50th percentile? And what if you don't know why the McRib isn't offered all year long? If you want to figure out the answers to all these questions, and specifically how to calculate the 50th percentile and a formal way to calculate the median, just click on the link below and it'll take you to a video that covers everything you need to know about percentiles, and it's going to show you a very formal way, a very specific mathematical formula-based way to calculate the median. Go ahead, click on it. And for those of you who do want to know, the McRib isn't offered all year long because McDonald's likes to capitalize on the fall in pork prices. Essentially, whenever pork prices reach an absolute rock bottom, that's when McDonald's reintroduces the McRib, because they get a steal on pork product, right? Of course, how much pork is actually in a McRib, that's questionable, but that's not important. Click on the link and you'll figure out what a percentile is, and you'll figure out a formula way to calculate the median. So do it, I say.